the aircrew carry out their weapons and systems checks to ensure that the aircraft is fully ready. Final arming checks are then carried out by the ground crew before the pilot taxis out of his parking bay. Are ready to taxi off the runway. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see our F-15 the big wave as they pass you.
From the thundering sound of freedom aboard F-15SG, tearing through the sky, witness the sheer power of the F-15SG as it performs a vertical climb right after takeoff. Please give our flyboys a big round of applause.
Gentlemen, today's event is not just about these incredible flying machines. It is also an opportunity for us to share how the RSAF provides air defense for Singapore's airspace. Apart from our fighters, entering the stage now is our RSAF ground-based air defense system, the Spider. Hey Beast, maybe you can give the audience a quick introduction of the Spider missile system.
Sure thing, Sparkle. The Spider ground-based air defense system is a low-level, quick-reaction surface-to-air missile system capable of engaging aircraft and mission threats as far as 15 kilometers away and 9 kilometers high. It provides air defense for fixed assets and area defense from mobile forces in the combat area. The Spider launcher comprises a launching platform that is mounted on a 22-ton truck. This enables it to be highly mobile and can move from place to place quickly. Sparkle, do you know what the launching platform comprises of?
Yes, I do. The launching platform comprises of a rotating turret that carries a total of 4 missiles and covers 360 degrees all around, firing off at a 45-degree angle. The Spider can use both the Python 5 and Derby missiles in any combination, which are fitted with infrared imaging and radio frequency seekers respectively to deal with a wide range of threats. It is one of the most advanced missile systems in the world today, and once the missile locks on, there is no escape for the target.
The Spider is also part of the RSAF Enhanced Island Air Defense, or IED system. The IAD system is a multi-layered network and intelligent air defense system which integrates advanced sensors, weapon systems, command and control elements, and decision-making tools to effectively neutralize a wide spectrum of air threats to protect Singapore's skies.
Ladies and gentlemen, as the Spider ground-based air defense system has fully deployed, let's now turn our attention to the screens to watch our video of our F-15's engagement with the bomb threat aircraft in the air. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes on the screen.
Griffin, intercept bearing 142, 49 miles, 10,000 feet, heading 200. Intel at Singapore 2 with suspected bomb threat on board. Your task for escort report, intermit Singapore 2.
Control, Griffin, radar log Simaliner, Bra, 14249, 10,000 feet, heading 200.
Singapore 2, you have been intercepted by the Republic of Singapore Air Force armed fighters. You are to comply with all our instructions. Acknowledge. Singapore 2, you have been intercepted by the Republic of Singapore Air Force armed fighters. You are to comply with all our instructions. Acknowledge.
Copy. This is Singapore 2. We will comply.
As a show of presence, fighters fly around the aircraft to send a deterrent message that they are armed fighter aircraft escorting the bomb threat aircraft.
Singapore 2, you are cleared to land runway 02 center.
Copy. Into land. 02 center.
Control, Singapore 2 on final approach to runway 02.
Ladies and gentlemen, on your right are a pair of F-15s escorting our A330 MRTT simulating a bomb threat aircraft to land on the runway.
After the bomb threat aircraft lands safely, the RSAF hands over the incident aircraft to civil agencies and quick response forces to quickly secure and ensure that the threat is investigated expeditiously.